so he gets a bagel every morning. And more often than not, it's a poppy seed bagel. And one morning he was doing the news and had just eaten his bagel. And then he goes on air. And Brian, do you have this queued? Okay, so this was what happened.
Point Pleasant Beach 90, Woodbridge 83, Mays Landing 87. I'm Joe Cutter on New Jersey's #1 source for news, New Jersey 101.
You know, it's hard not to laugh.
I know.
But the guy's choking. Like,
Yes.
it really is.
Yes.
I don't know. It's very insensitive to laugh at that, but it's funny.
My favorite part of that, you actually have to understand how behind the scenes works. When he stops talking,
Right.
the control actually passes from the news booth back into the main studio again, and
Right.
it's the DJ, the host, who hits that sounder at the end of the newscast.
Right.
The hesitation there as he's choking, there's a full 2 seconds in
Yeah.
there while whoever was sitting there.
I think it was Michelle Palenza.
I was going to say Michelle
Probably
Palenza. That's what I've
worried
heard.
about him.
Worried and what do I do? And then
Because
I
he's in
better
the other
push
room
the
over
button.
here.
He's over in the news
so
booth by
through
himself.
the glass, he's by
Right.
himself. It must have. I wish we had a video. I want to see the
would've been
video.
great.
And poor Michelle, if it was her, was probably like, is Joe dying?
Right? Is this the last newscast for Joe Cutter? Like, what is going on?
Right.
Wow.
But in Joe's defense, the cough actually almost came out like a 5. 101.5.
It's a valid point.
I mean, he tried.
Look, Joe's a professional.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Joe is nothing if
He
not.
even chokes the right way.
Exactly.
He gets it. He
Yeah.
totally gets it.
His
646 on New Jersey 101.5 traffic on weather next.
Hear about it, talk about it.
You guys talk about the greatest things that, no one else really talks about.
On New Jersey 101.5.
Hey, if you're like
Jill Myra, New Jersey traffic south. We have an accident at 206 at the entrance to the New Jersey Turnpike in Bordentown. And it's partially blocked off at that entrance ramp. We have a car flipped over. Now, 295 northbound ramp at exit 45 around Rancocas Road, closed off with an accident being worked on. New Jersey fast traffic is made possible by the Goddard School, offering the best childhood preparation for social and academic success. Learning for fun, learning for life at the Goddard School. Visit Goddard School. I'm having a Joe Cutter moment. Visit GoddardSchool.com. Traffic every 15 minutes. Next report at 7:33 from the Raycatina.com Auto Group Traffic Desk. I'm Jill Myra, New Jersey 101.5.
step away from the poppy seeds, Jill. 7:22 on New Jersey 101.5. Here's your instant weather with meteorologist Dan Zara.
Wow.